The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, what we're going to do is look at how do we prevent a child class from overriding a method. Now, this isn't something you always want to do, but when you need to, it's a great thing to know. As always, these files are available for download. Use a link provided below in the description. We'll give you a couple seconds so you can download them, and then we'll get started. All right, so let's get started. In this example, we have two separate files, example 09 parent and example 09 child, which automatically is already extending 09 parent. Now, you'll notice that I have a public string foo method, and I have it set to @override, just as we did in our previous example. So everything should be fine. But what happens if I don't want foo, or any other method for that matter, to be able to be overridden? Well, there's one simple keyword that we need to use, and all we have to do is come in here and after public, say final. Now, notice this is final and not finally. Final is saying that, hey, this is the final implementation of our method foo. And so when I come to example 9 child, notice that that method is now showing an error. If I hover over this, you're going to notice it has, hey, cannot override the final method from, and then our class name. So because this method exists, it's going to be an error. Now, what happens if I remove @override? Notice it's still an error. Now, can I put something inside my parameter list to make this an overloaded method? Well, the answer, as you can see, is yes. So that's the only way to fix this, is to make it a different way. So in this case, I'd have to take a string. Maybe I'm going to take an integer or a float, or maybe I take a completely different object. That's all fine. It doesn't matter. But my method definition has to be different if in my parent class, I use that final keyword, as you see there. Hopefully this example was helpful for you. If so, please consider giving the video a like and consider subscribing so you can see more videos on how to get better at programming.